Introducing Boardwalk's Velocity solution for financial services, Excel and EUC transformation. Excel spreadsheets likely represent well over 80% of your manual business processes. Recent fines and consent orders specifically mention the risk of uncontrolled end-user computing solutions EUCs, and specifically Excel. Get control of your Excel, improve them, and get them into compliance. Transform financial operations with a solution that redefines how you manage Excel and end-user computing tools. Ensure security, compliance, and efficiency without disrupting your current environment or workflows while continuing to use your existing EUCs. Rapidly turn your EUC spreadsheets into secure, collaborative systems while keeping the familiar Excel interface. This approach ensures seamless transitions with minimal disruption for your users. The Boardwalk Velocity solution allows you to quickly transform your EUC spreadsheets into a fully compliant and scalable system that ensures 100% user adoption. Data accuracy and compliance are critical in financial services. Automate governance and achieve rapid compliance with detailed audit trails and role-based security controls. Gain full transparency over your processes and enhance decision-making speed. Streamline workflows with a low-code, scalable solution that adapts to your evolving compliance and operational needs. Transform spreadsheets into dynamic, secure systems that reduce risk and improve efficiency. Enable effortless collaboration while maintaining strict compliance standards. We empower financial teams to share and act on critical insights in a secure, governed environment. Don't just manage financial spreadsheets, master them. Transform your EUCs into efficient, scalable assets that drive compliance, transparency, and productivity with Boardwalk Tech.